In today's video, we are creating this tray. It is so cute. I mean, look at the little ears. Love it. Let's jump right in.
It's always so exciting to try out new products and share with you guys. This time it is this kit by Boowanite Aqua, and it is essentially a kit of eco resin, and they call it Boowanite. All of this came so beautifully packed. So impressed with the packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. It doesn't matter what's inside. If the packaging is good, I'm sold. So yeah, I'm just opening up this kit. So they call this kit Boowanite Aqua Resin Terrazzo and Concrete Craft Making Kit. I will link everything in the description, and I also have a discount code to share with you guys, so I'm going to link all of that below in the description. So let's get opening. Oh, there's tons of goodies in here. So there's a lovely spatula. And do you know what? I don't know about you guys, but I'm always losing my spatulas. I literally don't know where they go. And I try to be diligent and wash them, but yeah, they get lost. And in this little bit, I have some cups, which is always handy. And oh, I love this. So this is their handheld sander. And it comes with a couple of grits of sandpaper. So it's got a Velcro on top, and then you just place your sanding disc on top and sand away. So perfect for eco resins and aqua resins. And then there are these pigments and mixing popsicle sticks. These are basically 5 colors I've got in here: black, white, red, green, and blue. It also came with some gloves. And this is the Boowanite powder base itself, and there is a nice little bottle of the liquid. Right, so let's get started. I cannot wait to pour. So Boowanite is essentially used in the ratios of 100 grams of the liquid for every 300 grams of powder. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up real nice. Now the mold that I'm using is this gorgeous face tray mold, and this is also by Boowanite Aqua, and I will link this in the description below. I haven't seen anything like it, so as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it. It's a good size as well, and it's got a lovely sort of Nordic earthy vibe, and I cannot wait to see how this turns out. So for the color, I want, once again, an autumn earthy color. I want like a brownie kind of a color. So I'm going to go ahead and mix a few of the colors that came in this kit, starting with yellow, a bit of red, black, just to get the color I'm looking for. So I am happy with the color, and I'm going to go ahead and pour in the Boowanite into the mold, and I can already see I haven't got quite enough. Because I haven't used this mold before, I didn't know how much it was going to take, so that's okay. I'm going to spread this out, give this a little tap and shimmy, just to make sure that it gets into every sort of nook and cranny of the mold, and I will mix up another batch. Right, so I've mixed up another batch to top up the mold, and I'm just going to fill this all the way up. Once again, give it a nice tap, and I am going to leave this to cure for a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
It's been 2 hours, and it is time to unmold. So excited to see how this has turned out. Let's see. Wow, I absolutely love this. I'm so glad I went for this color. It's a vibe. I'm all about these autumn earthy colors at the moment, and I love this. Now, because I didn't pour this all the way to the top, there is a lip on this, and I like to just go ahead and use my deburring tool. I know we usually use it for resin, but it works just as fine for eco resin as well. So I'm going to go ahead and scrape that lip off. Nice and easy. Absolutely love how this is looking. I mean, it would be so lovely like a candle plate or a trinket tray. It would look lovely anywhere. Let me know what you think of this in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.